Hey, what's up, YouTube? Let me put on my seatbelt. Cause you know they're gonna jump in the comments and say, dude, you didn't have your seatbelt on. Why don't you have your seatbelt on, Mr. Vernon? Alright, so I'm here with a student. We're about to do a video. She's been practicing, so she's pretty good. She's testing in a couple of days. So we're gonna run through the actual driving test. Alright, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left, away from the curb.
What else do you do?
Put your car in park, pull up the parking brake, and turn off the car.
Okay, cool. Alright, go ahead. Signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. So they're checking to make sure that the brake lights, the turn signal lights, and the horn is working. Alright? Now they're going to tell you to turn all the way to the left so they can check the tire. So go ahead, turn all the way left. Turn all the way to the right. And straighten the wheel. So 1, 2. Alright, cool. Alright, reverse. And we're going to go through the actual driving test. By the way, here's my other car. For those of you that's never seen that car, that's my other car with my son. Giving a driving lesson right now. Alright, reverse. Press the brake. Yeah. Alright. Look behind and roll straight back. So you're gonna back up until the mirror is at the end of the line. When the mirror gets to the end of the line like this, you're gonna stop, turn all the way to the right, to the left, sorry, my bad. And look behind and reverse. Alright, go ahead. Put it back in drive. Okay, stop here. And you're gonna make a left turn, so turn, signal left, turn left. Go down to the end of the street where that stop sign is, and we're gonna make a left turn. So signal. As soon as they tell you that you're gonna turn, you put on your signal, because if you don't, you're gonna lose. I believe it's 2 points. I've been saying 4, but I've been told that you lose 2 points every time that you don't signal. Okay, so stop completely. Look both ways. Make sure there's nothing coming, and go ahead and make your left turn. We're gonna go down to the stop sign down here and stop. So you're signaling left, right? So again, as soon as they tell you that you're going to turn, you signal. Come to a complete stop here. And you're going to count 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. This is kind of a 4-way stop sign, so you make sure you look, make sure it's clear, and then go accordingly. Alright, so go ahead, make a left turn, go straight to the right lane. Alright, stop here. Again, you're gonna do the 1, 2, 3. Go straight across. And make a right turn. And we're gonna make the right turn right past these fire hydrants. So you signal right. So we're gonna go to the stop sign, and we're gonna go straight across. Okay, stop here. Alright, go straight across and stop, because they're gonna have you speed up there and do the quick stop. So stop here. Alright. Alright, speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. And stop. Okay, that's cool. Alright, reverse, straight back. Look behind and just let it roll. So make sure the wheel's straight. Just look behind and roll straight back. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, stop right here. Alright, go ahead and do your 3-point turn. Signal left. Turn all the way left. Okay. Put it in reverse, all the way to the right. Look over your left shoulder. And reverse. When your mirror is past the middle, like right here, you're going to stop. Put it back in drive. Signal left again. Don't forget to signal, because again, you don't want to lose any points for not signaling. Alright, go to the stop sign right here, and we're going to make a left turn. Alright, stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. Go into the right lane, and then make a quick left turn. Stay close to the right side because we're gonna park in between the cones, and you have to stay. The closer you are to the right, the easier it is to park. So we're gonna come over here and we're gonna line up the mirror with the 2 cones on the left side. Go up just a little bit more. Alright, that's good. Let me see it. See that? Sweet. Alright, signal left, turn all the way left. And you're gonna roll into the space, nice and easy. As soon as you pass the cones on the right side, I want you to straighten the wheel, nice and easy. Straighten the wheel, don't wait too long, and then pull straight in. You see what I'm saying? Like you waited a touch too long, so you ended up more on the left side. Alright, now straighten it right there, and then back straight out. Alright, back straight out. When your mirror is past the cones, then you're going to turn all the way to the right. Turn all the way right. And then look behind. And reverse. So the only thing you did that wasn't perfect there, when you came in, you waited like a second too long to straighten the wheel. So other than that, you did fine. Right, go ahead. So we're going to make a left turn here. Signal left. Okay, stop. Alright, go ahead. What the hell? Who's blowing and why? Go ahead. Just go out there. These people are so impatient. Go ahead. They wait like half a second and they start honking the horn. Who are they honking at? You or this person in the back is who's honking. Okay, that's good. Stop here. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make it left. Riding this little baby bike. Little baby bike. So we're going to go to the stop sign, make a right turn, signal right. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make a right turn. Signal right. Okay. Alright, so how you think you did?
Decent. Just the parking. Have little
Decent.
problems.
That's the only thing you did. I mean, even if you did it like that in the driving test, you would still pass, right? That wouldn't fail it because you didn't hit the cone. You just wasn't perfectly positioned because you waited a fraction of a second too long to straighten up. But that's it. Other than that, you did great. So I will say you're gonna pass for sure. Alright. Alright, so tell these people to subscribe to my channel, please.
Subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, y'all really playing, y'all. I only have 16,000 subscribers. I have 130,000 hours of watch time. 16,000 subscribers. I mean, come on. Help a brother out. I'm just saying. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.